Why do most authors burn out on marketing? If marketing your book leaves you feeling drained or discouraged or quietly resentful, then this video is definitely for you. Not because you're doing it wrong, but because the way most authors are taught to market is really misaligned with how writers actually work. Hi, everyone. I'm Melissa Bourbon. I've published 35 or more books across cozy mystery, magical realism, women's fiction, and I help authors build visibility in a way that supports their creativity rather than burning it down. I'm also a cover designer, so indie authors, check out Writer Spark book covers. a little plug, a little aside. Now, if you want marketing that feels sustainable, human, and actually works, please go ahead and subscribe to Bourbon and Books. I post new Craft Thursday and Marketing Monday videos every week. Lots of good stuff here. Let's dig into today's topic, which is burnout on social media. Here's the first thing I want you to really hear. Burnout is not a failure of yours. It's a signal. Most author burnout isn't about the effort or the discipline. It's about misalignment. You're being asked to market in ways that require constant urgency, forced enthusiasm, makes you be performative and have that performative confidence. And it requires this endless output. That kind of energy is exhausting, especially for writers and introverts. Selling energy drains most writers. Storytelling energy, on the other hand, sustains them, and that's definitely true for me. If you feel depleted after marketing, it does not mean you're lazy. It just means the approach you're using isn't really built for you. Let that sink in. It's nothing that you're doing wrong. It's just that you need to do it differently. This leads me to my second point, which is selling versus storytelling energy. Let's talk about the difference between selling and storytelling energy. This is a big one. Selling energy asks you to persuade, right? To convince people to care, to justify your work, to push for attention. You're trying to get their attention amidst, everything else that's out there. Storytelling energy, on the other hand, invites connection. It shares meaning. It creates recognition. It lets readers opt in. It helps them to care about you, and that's so important. Here's what burnout looks like. You post more, you try more platforms, you follow all the advice, and you still feel really disconnected from why you wrote the book in the first place and what in the world are you doing? And that's because marketing has become separate from your story, when in reality, they are built on the same foundation. I mean, we're inherently storytellers, right? So no wonder there's a disconnect. When marketing feels wrong, it's usually because it's asking you to perform instead of communicate. I don't know about you, but I don't want to perform. I just want to make these videos, pay it forward, and write my books. Leave me a comment about this. What do you want to be doing? I'm betting that it's writing books as well. My third point is about sustainable visibility. Sustainable visibility doesn't come from doing more, contrary to what you might think. It actually comes from telling the right story consistently in a way that feels true. What does that look like? Well, it might mean sharing the emotional question your book explores, or talking about what the story offers the reader, not just about what happens. Or maybe it's letting your themes lead instead of your tactics. One clear story told well is going to outperform all of the scattered effort that social media requires every single time. This is why some authors seem effortlessly visible. They're not actually louder, they're just clearer. And clarity is truly sustainable. This is exactly why I say it is not the algorithm, it is the approach. I break this down fully in why your book marketing isn't working. It isn't the algorithm. Because once you shift how you think about marketing, everything starts to feel a whole lot lighter. If you're tired of marketing, that does not mean you're failing. It means you are ready for a different approach. So watch why your book marketing isn't working. It's not the algorithm next. It's linked right here. If you want marketing that supports your writing life instead of draining it, make sure you're also subscribed to this channel. because that is what we talk about. I will see you next Marketing Monday. Until then, happy marketing, happy pinning. Check out the Pinterest playlist, and happy writing. I'll see you next time. You need to keep working just to get it though. I know she carried your whole world.